10 days, 10 doors.
Hi everyone, I'm Joel, CEO and co-founder of Codiris. I'm so happy to start the day one of Codiris Advanced Calendar. So I'm so happy to introduce you today Codiris User Research. Codiris User Research is a tool that can help you to talk to any user in any time, any language. You don't have to wait and to be available before talk to a user. You can talk to a user instantly. Every time you have a problem, they can tell you the problem you have. It's very easier and you can access to that now. So let's see how it works.
You get an idea. You open a vibe coding tool. 15 minutes later, you think you built a product, but you didn't. You built a demo for no one. You spend weeks iterating. You spend all your money on credits. Still no users. Still guessing. You didn't fail because you were wrong. You failed because you never listened. You built in isolation. The users were never in the room. Codiris makes it fun to learn. Let's start with research. Create your research plan, qualitative and quantitative questions, structured automatically. Ready to learn. Upload your spreadsheet 10 people or 1,000. Codiris verifies every contact. No missing info, no wasted time. Emails go out, interviews get scheduled. Codiris talks to your users in any language, all at once. Real conversations, real insights, while you build. Each interview gets analyzed. Patterns emerge. Codiris turns noise into clarity charts, metrics, video clips, everything. Stop guessing. Start listening. Build products people want. For builders who listen before they build, try Codiris.
So first, what I have to do, I can just go to Codiris and try this plan. I want to build a new connection on the network platform, agent first and easy to use. So yeah, I have some question and I want to be focused more on professional students. So let's go. That's good. I want to ask people how they are using LinkedIn. And you also let's go how to do that. Could you just generate me first all the question I need to make my user research. So I can also add some question or ask Codiris to give me more information about some specific topic. So for example, ask Codiris to to focus more on people who want to raise money or want to do different things. So people who are looking for co-founder and investor are hiring. So could you just think and give me the result I need? I think I like it. The question look good. Um, I'm impressed. So it's a good thing. I can also back and see the last version of what I did. Either I prefer the V1 or the V2. Now I can customize my Codiris. So I just select the name and I upload just some at I think it's good and OpenAI. This make like this OpenAI would make the interview to replace LinkedIn. So that's good. So the to get started, you can add knowledge like you want. So I save it, and now I have the link. I can send the link, or I can go to find people I'm looking for. Now in this example, I just go to find some people in the FANG, and so I find some good profile. I can use this profile for user research, so they will receive automatically my invitation, or I can upload a new CV CSV. So yeah, I can modify, put like one name, and after I can save it. So now it's ready. You can set up my Google account, and after set up my Google account, I can now just go and see if I need to edit or I can generate like something with my AI. I love this email. I edit the email. I think it's pretty good. So why not? We can send it. Let's go. Approve, and I start my user interview so people will now receive the invitation. Now you don't see nothing, but you see the result of the invitation later. Okay, I go to one email, I send an invitation, I join the interview, I log in. You need to log in so we know that, okay, this link is for you. And we log in, for example, in my case, it's Mr. 521 of email. And now I have Sam, so let's do that together. Um,
Hey, I'm Sam. Happy to talk with you. So, to kick things off, do you currently have a LinkedIn account?
yeah, I have LinkedIn account.
Got it. How often do you use LinkedIn to connect with new people or expand your network?
So I use LinkedIn to find people I need to target and to like send connection or write a message.
I see. That makes sense. Building on that, what is your primary reason for using LinkedIn?
So I use LinkedIn especially when I want to find a new relation, like I'm looking for some customer, or I'm looking for some investor, or just looking for some collaborator. If I want to learn about something, I can just reach out to people directly in LinkedIn. Do you see me?
Yes, I can. Thanks for sharing that. So, describe your typical process for
I just
finding
I
and
just
connecting
have
with new people on
I,
LinkedIn.
I just have a question. I want to know like what is the color of the my clothes?
Sure, it looks like you're wearing a white or cream colored sweater and a beige top. So, as I was asking, could
Oh,
you
okay.
describe your
You go
typical
directly to
process?
the question. You are straight. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's go. Yeah, go for it.
Great. So, on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being not at all and 5 being extremely, how easy is it to find the specific people you're looking for on LinkedIn?
I think three because sometimes like you send an invitation and it takes time to answer, so it's hard sometimes. But yeah, why not?
That makes sense. The time factor can definitely be a challenge. What are some other challenges you faced when trying to connect with people on LinkedIn?
I have some challenge. So let me share you my screen so you can understand better. Did you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. I
Okay.
appreciate you sharing that.
So yeah,
Can you?
so for example, sometimes when I'm LinkedIn and I'm scrolling, like, I just want to connect to people and I always see like advertising of people. Like honestly, I don't care about all this type of stuff, you know. So I spend lot of time in the platform because I have this type of feed and I don't necessarily like it. Me, only thing I want is just to connect to people. Like it's not to I don't care about money people raise, So yeah, maybe sometime, but now I don't care. So I just want to connect to people, and I have only this type of thing on my feed, and sometimes it's very very annoying.
I understand. It can be frustrating to have irrelevant content cluttering your feed when you're trying to network. Can you provide a specific example of a time you found it particularly easy or difficult to connect with someone on LinkedIn? What made it that way?
I think like sometimes it's like a specific example is like last time I tried just to connect to someone to ask for some introduction and the person just doesn't care. I think like I want to sell in something, but no, it just I want to make some network. Of course, if what I want to talk about you, if it's interesting to you, that's good. If it's not interesting, okay, ciao. I'm not here to sell you something. But sometimes, yeah, there are a lot of people who spam. So even me, when people write to me, I don't answer because I don't, I'm afraid to, to be in the gap, to fit in the trap and to be take and just to be spammed. So yeah. So yeah, like you can see now, I just finished my interview with Codiris, and now Codiris can give me all the answer after I made like lots of interviews, so I can know what my user wants and maybe try to build something you want. So in the day two, we're gonna see how you build product people want with all this insight. So see you next day.
Stop guessing. Start listening. Build products people want. For builders who listen before they build, try Codiris.